Good morning, my dears. Welcome back to our video class. And today we are going to learn the first chapter, the three questions. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, we learned half portion of the chapter. And let's continue the chapter. And here in this chapter, the king is seeking answers to three questions. And many wise men reached the kingdom and they give different answers, but the king was not satisfied with that, so he decided to consult a hermit who lived alone in the jungle. Here, when the king reached the jungle, at that time the hermit was digging the soil. Then, let's see what happened then. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you answer three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most, and what affairs are the most important? So here, by seeing the hermit, king became very happy and he went up to the hermit and said that, wise hermit, I have come to you to ask some question. I want to know answers of three questions. And the questions, the right time to begin something. The first question is the right time to begin something. And the second one, the most important person to listen to. And the third question, the most important affair or the most important job to be done. These were the three questions. So I need answer for these three questions immediately. So here, the hermit was an old man and he was busy digging the ground in front of his house. At that time, the king told the hermit that he has come in search of answers for his three questions, and the king repeated the questions. Here, the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging, and the hermit didn't respond and continued digging the ground. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So, what happened? Here the king didn't respond and he continued digging the ground. Some time passed. Here the king, seeing the hermit to be tired, so the king here offered his help. And the king continued digging the ground till evening. Here the hermit said thank you, and after that he handed over his spade to the king and he sat down on the ground for rest. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, Now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. So, after completing two beds, here the king again repeated his three questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up. And here the hermit didn't give any answer. Instead of that, here the hermit stood up. Here the hermit thought that the king was tired. That is why he stretched his hands out for the spade and said to the king that now you take rest. I am okay now. You take rest. I will do the job. Let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. And here the king didn't give the spade. He said that he didn't say anything because here the hermit didn't give answer. So the king didn't give the spade to the hermit and here he continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. So what happened then? Hours passed. 1 hour passed, then 2 hours passed, but no answer from the hermit. The sun went down behind the trees. That means here the dawn time. And at last the king stuck the spade into the ground. At last, at the evening time, here the king stuck the spade into the ground. He put the spade into the ground and said that, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my question. Then he said to the hermit, Hey, wise man, I came to you for an answer to my 3 questions. I have 3 questions and I already asked that 3 questions to you, but you didn't give me any reply. If you can give me no answer, then tell me. If you can have no answer, then please tell me. I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. At that time, someone running towards them. So the hermit said that, here's someone running. So at last in the evening, the king again requested the hermit to answer his questions. But at the moment, someone came running towards the hermit's hut. So once again listen. Here the king want to know the answers of his 3 questions. So he decided to consult a hermit. So here the king, when he reached the hermit's house, the hermit was busy digging the ground in front of his house, and here the hermit was an old man. And the king told the hermit that he was come in search of answers for his 3 questions and repeated the questions. The hermit didn't respond and continued digging the ground. Some time passed, and the king, seeing the hermit to be tired, offered his help. The king continued digging the ground till evening. In the evening, the king again requested the hermit to answer his questions. But at the moment, someone came running towards the hermit's hut. Okay, did you understand? Fine, then oral comprehension check, not oral, just comprehension check. 2 questions are there. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? What is the reason? Did you know the reason? The answer is the king wanted to know answers of his 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. To be a successful ruler, he needed these answers. And the second question, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Options are there: to fetch a wise man, to find answer to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Which one is the right answer? Yes, the second one is the right answer. That is to find answers to the questions. So I will give you the questions and answers. So you have to write down the question and the answers in your fair copy neatly without making any mistakes. It's time to wind up the class. Read the chapter 3 or 4 times. If you have any doubt, then ask me, and underline the hard word meaning. So we'll continue the chapter tomorrow. Till then, take care. Thank you.